Hi everybody, what we have here today is our 4-door and 5-door remote refrigerators. The only difference is between these two models are the door sections. This one is 4-door, this one is 5-door. The depth and height remains the same. The only differences are the length. So first off, let me show you the length of these 4-door. From left to right, we're looking at 103 inches in length. Okay, it's actually 102 inches, 102 inches and a half. But to be safe, let's just say it's 103 inches. And for the 5-door, the length, we're going to be looking at 128 inches. 128 inches for a 5-door. So as said, the only differences between the 4-door and the 5-door are the length. The height and depth remain the same for both these two. So for the height, you're looking at 84 inches tall. Now these do come with passenger wheels and legs. So we look underneath here. 84 inches includes a total with legs and wheels included. So 84 inches tall. For the depth, we're looking at 29.5 inches. Okay. Now for the 4 and 5-door, each door is automatic closing. So open it up, the hinge will close back up. Okay. Now included too for either the 4 and the 5-door are these storage shelves. Okay, for your beverages. Each shelf can be adjusted. As you can see in there are the clips, okay, and the brackets to remove the height level for each shelf. Okay. On top of that too, these will come with bottle sliders. We put the sliders inside each shelf. Whenever a bottle is reached and grabbed, the back will move forward. Okay, so shelves are included as well as the bottle sliders. Okay. Also included are the copper tubing or the copper wiring for the compressors. Okay, so 2 compressors for each unit. Okay. Top of that too, this is the on and off switch. Okay, the power. This is the Dixo controller, okay, where the temperature can be adjusted back and forth. This is a 110 power unit, okay? So if we come back here,
on the top.
Come back here, that's the 110 cord. Okay, so both the 5 and 4 are 110 outlet connections. Okay, if we look here, this is the tubing for the drainage. Okay, so both the 4 and 5 will include this tubing as well for the drainage holes.
The inside dimension.
Okay. Lastly, let me show you the dimensions for each door. Okay. For each door, we're looking at 23.5 inches in length. And for the height, we'll be looking at 67 3/4 inches in height. Okay. For the interior, the space you will get will be 22.5 inches in depth. Okay. And for this one, the 4-door, we come over here. Open this up real quick. As said, each door is automatic closing. Okay, so open back in and close by itself. Like the 5-door, the depth remains the same for the inside as well. Okay. Again, this is our 4 and 5-door remote condenser refrigerators. For any additional questions, feel free to visit our website, coolerdepousa.com, or give us a call and we can assist.